So this is just a little proof, proof very much in inverted commas, that the sum of the natural numbers is a third. So it's in the spirit of other videos I've seen showing that the sum of the natural numbers is minus a twelfth. So it's just kind of using a little bit of mathematical sleight of hand to apparently prove that the sum of the natural numbers is a third. So I'm going to start off with the sum of the natural numbers and call that series S. S equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so on and so on. Then I'm going to double everything in that series, 2S, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on and so on and so on. All the even numbers, in fact. So since all of the even numbers occur in both of those series, I'm going to take away all of the even numbers from each of them. So I'm basically going to do the top line minus the bottom line, and all of the even numbers are going to disappear from both. So top minus bottom, S minus 2S gives you minus S, and then all of the even numbers cancel out, so you're just left with 1, 3, 5, 7, in fact all of the odd numbers. So minus S equals the sum of all of the odd numbers, and that already looks a little bit suspicious. Now I'm going to look at this a different way. So with the 2S I had here, 2S equals 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, all of the even numbers. I'm going to take away 1 from everything there, so I'm going to have 2S minus 1, and that's going to be all of the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on and so on. But 1, 3, 5, 7 is the same as I had here for minus S. So in other words, I'm concluding that 2S minus 1, this series of all of the odd numbers, is equal to minus S, this series of all of the odd numbers. So 2S minus 1 equals minus S. Just going to rearrange that a little bit. Add S to both sides, add 1 to both sides. 3S equals 1, and therefore dividing everything by 3, S equals a third. So S was the sum of all of the natural numbers. So in other words, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and so on to infinity, is a third, apparently.